Screaming fans, flashbulbs. Elvis has left the building. Echoes. He's called the king of rock and roll, but ask the people who lived the music and they'll tell you, Elvis didn't invent the sound, he inherited the spotlight. Behind the legend is a deeper truth. One the music industry won't admit. Many of Elvis Presley's most iconic songs came directly from black artists. Today, we tell the truth. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Elvis made it a global smash, but in 1952, Big Mama Thornton recorded it first. Her version? Raw, bluesy, angry. It sold over 500,000 copies. Then Elvis came in, sanitized the sound, and sold over 10 million. Big Mama got $500. Elvis got history. That's all right, Mama. Elvis's debut single in 1954. But it was Arthur Big Boy Crudup who wrote and recorded it a decade earlier. Crudup was promised royalties. He never got them. He died penniless, while Elvis built a mansion on his song. While Trouble isn't a direct cover, Elvis's rock and roll swagger, guitar licks, and gospel fire were lifted straight from Sister Rosetta Tharpe, the godmother of rock. She mixed church and rebellion. He copied the style and became a cultural icon. Elvis recorded it in 1954, but the original blues version came from Kokomo Arnold in the 1930s. Elvis added a country twist. The press called it new, but black bluesmen had been doing it for years. Train I Ride, 16 Coaches Long, a hit for Elvis. But Junior Parker, a black blues artist from Memphis, recorded it first for Sun Records. His version was haunting. Elvis sped it up and got the headlines. Yes, Bill Monroe was white, but Elvis's delivery, rhythm, and phrasing of Blue Moon of Kentucky echoed the gospel traditions and blues patterns of black quartets. Even when the source was white, the sound was always black. Elvis himself once said, "A lot of people seem to think I started this business, but rock and roll was here a long time before I came along." He knew the truth, but the industry crowned him anyway, because America was ready to accept black music, as long as it came from white lips. Elvis Presley had talent, but talent isn't the whole story. Black artists built the stage, he just danced on it. Black history is purposely being erased. Help keep it alive with the Black History Vault, preserving the stories that shaped our world. Find us on YouTube, like this video, comment, and share.